Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, Ace sign. This is August bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Gemini. Ten of Pentacles under the deck, the Hierophant and Phone. I think your overall energy is Ten of Pentacles. Gemini. So you want financial stability in career wise. You're working towards your career or finances or abundances. Definitely there will be financial stability. But in relationship wise, వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాడా. So your overall energy is 10 of Pentacles. So you want financial stability. You were working hard towards your goals. And I think your money is good, but in relationship wise, there is no stability. What I'm getting here, there are some commitment issues between you and your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Knight of Pentacles, the Sun, and Seven of Cups. So the relationship between you and your person is very, very slow moving. And for some kids also involved in this connection, they always keep putting you in some confusion. They always giving you false hopes. That type of energy I'm getting because Seven of Cups. There is no clarity from this side. They are always in and out of your life. This is on and off connection. Gemini. Then present Four of Swords, Seven of Swords, and the Star. So definitely someone is sneaking this connection. According to me, it's your person. So you are taking rest. You are healing. You are taking off from the situation because Four of Swords energy is here, but thinking about something a lot. And the Star, definitely there is some healing is going. After that, there is some positive changes coming. Then future Six of Wands, King of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. So you are getting success for your hard work, recognition for your hard work, and King of Pentacles is here. Definitely working hard towards your goals and career, and Page of Swords. Definitely there is text is coming. Maybe you spying on them on social media, and lots of your kids also involved in this connection, and for some third party situation involved. So let's clarify the cards. Recent past, Knight of Pentacles, clarification cards, Justice, the Lovers, and Page of Wands. So definitely there is love between both of you, but there is no balance between you and your person. Yeah, there is love. I think your person is a player in and out of your life, Gemini. And Sun clarification cards, Seven of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles. They're treating you as an option. That's why you're holding back. Yeah. They're always giving you false hope. And Seven of Cups clarification, Nine of Cups, Two of Cups, and Two of Pentacles. It's mutual love. You're wishing for this connection, but you are not sure about this connection at all because they're always in and out of your life. You are juggling. You are juggling, Gemini. There is love at the same time. There is no clarity. So let's clarify present Four of Swords, Eight of Swords, King of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles. Yes, they always keep putting you on waiting. You're feeling stuck. That's why you want to take your power back. King of Wands energy. That's why you're taking rest. You're taking off from the situation and you are healing. And Seven of Swords clarification, Nine of Swords, Page of Swords, and Page of Pentacles. Yes, this person is sneaky. You came to know about this person recently, or for some you will came to know. So that's why you are in depression and anxiety type of energy, Gemini. But lot of spying and some text messages coming, maybe apology. Lot of spying is going. Maybe they are spying on you, but they played games with you. Definitely. Seven of Swords, sneaky energy, very, very sneaky energy. So let's see Aquarius, the star. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. Clarification cards, Eight of Pentacles, the Hangman and the Magician. Yes, I already told you there is some positive shift is coming. So that is you are working hard towards your goals, and the Magician, you are manifesting something big into your life, and there is some spiritual awakening is going in your life right now. I think for some this person is really toxic for you, but it is a karmic lesson for you. It is on everything happens for a reason. Definitely, this person putting you in anxiety, depression energy, but after that there is some positive changes coming. So let's see future energy. Six of Wands, the Fool, Ten of Swords, and Knight of Pentacles. There is new beginnings for you, new energy in future, and there is success is coming for you. Yeah, it is coming from past lessons because Ten of Swords energy, but you are getting success and there is new energy, new beginnings in your life, especially Gemini. And King of Pentacles clarification cards. Five of Swords, the Moon and Death. Yeah, it was one type of ending between you and your person because they cheated on you. Your person is a liar, cheater, or backstabber. So, a lot of illusions. They may be hiding something from you. That's why you're taking your control back, and your total focus is on your money, is on your abundance. You want to end the relationship with this person. Yes, you're taking your power back. And Page of Swords clarification, Judgment, the Star, and Chariot. So, you will take some decision regarding this relationship. Maybe you decided to move on, and definitely your decision will give some happiness to you. You whatever you made in near future in the decision, it is good because the decision, Judgment, and the Star. So your decision will give good. Will give you. So whatever you made in this in near future, you will make some decision, and you will make perfect decision. What I'm saying here, definitely, for some you decided to move on. And out overall energy, Ten of Pentacles clarification, Nine of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Hermit. So there is no stability is coming. That's why you are focusing on your money and you are going through some transformation phase, Gemini. So let's see your overall energy. I think the final outcome from the universe for your relationship. So where your relationship is headed on. I think right now you're both missing each other. You're both not talking with each other, and you both are juggling. And Queen of Wands, definitely you both want to take action towards each other, but you're not taking right now because there is no clarity in this relationship. What I'm getting here, but you're both missing each other. Especially you're juggling, but divine timing is the key here because Wheel of Fortune is here. Divine timing is the key. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Especially Cancer, Virgo, Pisces. But totally for you, the whole, the message for you Gemini is new opportunities, new beginnings in your life, not only in your relationship, in your whole life there will be new beginnings. Take time to breathe out. So if you are doing a lot of hard work, this is the message for you. Take time, take a break to heal yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe.